Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to modify some of these cells to merge some cells together and make a title for a page. So in this example, if you see, I've named this Candy Costs. I'm going to do the same thing. And notice actually before we start this is that this I guess the cell is a combination of B1, C1, D1, E1, and F1. It expands and goes through 4 or 5 different cells. We're going to do the same thing on this new page. Okay, I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to go ahead and call this food and drinks. Okay, so obviously this isn't a very clear title. We want it a little bit bigger. And to do that, let's say I just want to change the font. I forgot what I used before. Let's just do 48. It looks like it works pretty well, right? We have it and it's set so that it shows the whole thing, but sometimes I'm going to want to make sure that it's merged together just to kind of, if I click here on E1, notice that there's nothing here because the cell is empty. So what we're going to do is we're going to merge these cells together by clicking on this icon right here, merge cells. You could kind of see that shows kind of a cell with 2 arrows pointing inside. Now anywhere I click on this title, it's going to refer to that individual cell, food and drinks. Okay, the title is already center aligned, or I'm sorry, the title is not center aligned. It looks pretty good, but I want it centered in the cells that we have. So to do that, I'm going to center align it also. We could do left, right, and center aligned.